In this video, we will learn how to create an icon for your mobile application. Here we are going to create an icon for EasyODK. For that, please visit hotpot.ai, then go to Android, then click on Google Play icon. Over here, you can choose any of these icons. Let's say we are choosing this one. Click on the Edit button to edit it. This icon can be replaced by the icon which you can upload from your desktop. So you can update an icon like this, or you can replace this icon from the list of any of the free icons which are already available and created in the system. Let's say we are using this one. So now your icon has been created. Click on download. This will give you an option for unlimited pass or per graphic. Do not worry, we have already created an unlimited pass for you. Just visit the administration panel of easyodk.com, and there you will be able to find out the promo code. Kindly use that promo code and freely download this particular graphic. Thank you.